Part 8 Excellent X Hey, come here. Do you want to see an X movie with me? Come here. Look. Bye-bye. It's so cute. I love this story. X has two sounds. The first is k and s together. K, s, k, s, ks, 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 ks. Here are some of my favorite X words. Next, excel, extra, taxi, excite, accept, expire, oxygen, explain, explode, exchange, excellent, expensive. And here we are with X at the end. Don't forget the S. Axe, tax, fix, sex, mix, six, box, fox, latex, relax, matrix, anthrax. Okay, the second sound of X is gz. G, z, g, z, gz, gz, gz. Here are some words with the gz sound. Exam, exit, example, exist, exotic. Let's practice more. I have to take 6 tests next week. Can you explain to me why I have to pay extra tax? The food here is excellent, but expensive. Why are you excited about taking a taxi? I am an exchange student from Thailand. Why did the box explode? Get it? Got it? Good.